Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Madhuri Nima from New Catholic Mission School, Jhabua. I am going to teach you class 4th maths and the name of the chapter is volume and nets. So as you know, what is volume? Volume means the space covered by any object. It means volume. So here let's see here what we learn in this chapter today. Today we will learn the found of the volume of 3D shapes by counting the number of units and cubes, and second to identify the nets of different 3D shapes, and third one is volume. So you know volume of an object is the amount of space occupied by it. उसके द्वारा कितना स्पेस कवर्ड किया, इट मीन्स वॉल्यूम. एंड volume is measured in cubic units. Volume is measured in cubic units, and we can choose any of 3 units depending on the size of the object whose volume is measured. So volume, how can we measure volume? So it depends on its shapes. So like this here some 3 example here. This is 1 millimeter cube, and this is 1 centimeter cube, and this is 1 meter cube. So this according to size we measure volume. Now here volume 1 cubic millimeter. So example here sugar crystal. आपने देखा है शुगर के जो शक्कर रहती है उसके कैसे छोटे छोटे क्रिस्टल रहते हैं, तो मेजर्ड इन क्यूबिक millimeter. And ice of cubes, choker cube means 3D shapes or square shapes. Okay, so here volume of ice cubes measure in cubic centimeter, and ballot box measured in 1 cubic meter. So this we can measure. Now let us find out the volume of this plastic box using centimeter. ये जो प्लास्टिक बॉक्स से दिख रहा है आपको, we measured this plastic box measure in cubic centimeter. So let's see here this box. Okay, so this box of how many cubes here? So you see here 1 2, how many layer here? 1 2 3 4 layer, and this length is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 square. Length is this volume box is equal to 10 square, and here breadth 1 2 and 3. Okay, 3 cubic centimeter, and here height, what is the given here height? 1 2 3 4 cubic square. So here this is we are given here length, and this is breadth, and this is height. So we can count. Okay, how many cube here? Length 10 square, and breadth 3 square, and height is equal to 4 square. So for finding out volume we can multiply by length, breadth and height. 3D shapes देखा आपने, उसमें length this book. Okay, so this is length, and this is breadth, and this is breadth, and this is height. ये दिख रही है आपको इसको, this is height, this is length, this is breadth, and this is height. So this way we can find out the volume of this box. So this is length, breadth and height. So length 10 square, breadth 3 square, and height 4. So 10 multiply 3 and multiply by 4. 10 3s are 30, and 30 4s are 120 cubic centimeter. Now here, so exercise 6.1. Here fill in the blanks. There are dash unit cubes in this block of cubes. ये जो block of cubes है दिख रहा है आपको, you are showing here blocks of cubes. So cubes, therefore the volume of this block of. अब इस ब्लॉक का वॉल्यूम क्या होगा? So in this given here length. Okay, so here count, we will count in length how many cubes given here? 1 2 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so length is 6 square and breadth. कितना क्यूब दिख रहा है ब्रीथ में? 1 square. And here height also given 1 square. So it means 6 multiply by 1, then multiply by 1. 6 ones are 6 and 6 ones are 6. So 6 cubic square. And always finding out, after that finding out volume, will write unit. ओके, अगर आप वॉल्यूम को फाइंड कर रहे हैं तो आपने लिखा है 6, तो 6 क्यूबिक स्क्वायर. ओके, क्या लिख रहा है? 6 क्यूबिक स्क्वायर. नाउ हियर दिस, सो लिखा 6 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर दिस बॉक्स वॉल्यूम. नाउ सेकेंड हियर, देयर आर रोज ऑफ क्यूब्स इन दिस ब्लॉक. अब आपको यू विल सी हियर हाउ मेनी रोज हियर यू आर शोइंग हियर. How many rows here? 1 and 2. कितनी रो दिख रही है आपको? 2 row. So here there are 2 rows of cube in this block and each row has cubes. अब each row, how many cubes in each row? This is one row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And one row is equal to 7 blocks. दिख रहे हैं आपको ये 7 blocks? So it means this is length and this is breadth and this is height. So given length here 7 square and here how many square? 2 and here how many row? Only single one. Height कितनी है? Only 1 square. So it means 7 2s are 14 and 14 1s are 14. So 14 cubic centimeter this block's volume. Now third here, each layer of this block of cubes has. अब ये ईच लेयर, इट मीन्स एक लाइन आपने दिख रहा है 3D से. दिस इज लेंथ, यहाँ पे ये ब्रीथ एंड दिस इज लेंथ, ब्रीथ एंड दिस इज हाइट. सो हाउ मेनी स्क्वायर हियर? सो हियर योर क्वेश्चन इज ईच लेयर ऑफ दिस ब्लॉक ऑफ क्यूब्स हैज क्यूब्स. हाउ मेनी क्यूब्स? 1 in 1 block. You are showing here how many blocks you are showing here? 1 block, 2 block and 3 block. How many block? 1 block, 2 block and 3 block. In 1 block has how many square? How many cubic you are showing here? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 here length and breadth 4 square. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 7 4s are how many square? 7 4s are 28. कितने स्क्वायर दिखेंगे आपको 1 ब्लॉक में? In 1 block have 28 square. So this way how many block here? 3 blocks here showing here. So it means 28 multiplied by 3. So 28 multiplied by 3, 84 cubic centimeter. So this is your length and this is breadth and this is height. So you can count by square, you find out volume, and you can according to length and breadth and height, this way you can find out the volume of this block. So once again here, how many given square here in in length? 7 square and breadth 1, 2, 3, 4 square and here height 1, 2, 3. So it means multiply by length, breadth and height. So length here 7 square and breadth 4 square and height 3 square. 7 4s are 28 and 28 3s are 84 square cubic centimeter. So this way here 84 cubic centimeter volume of this block. Okay, now next here, find the volume of the blocks of cubes given below. Write the appropriate units. So here आपको लिखा 1 blocks. What is the measure of one cube? So these 1 cubes measure 1 cubic centimeter. So according to you will count and according to length, breadth and height you can find out the volume. So we cannot easily in 3D shape count a square. So we'll find the length according to length, breadth and height, find out the here volume. So here in the length given how many block, how many square? 1, 2, 3, 4 square. Length equal to 4, breadth equal to 2 and height equal to 2 square. 1 and 2. It means what is the volume of this square? This block volume is equal to 4 2s are 8 and 8 2s are 16 क्यूब्स। सो आपको देखा ये 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6 कितने स्क्वायर दिख रहे हैं ये 1 2 3 4 स्क्वायर एंड 2 4 2 8 8 2 16. So length, breadth and height, this way you can find out all the blocks of volume. So here length here 3, breadth here 2 and height here is equal to 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12 cubic centimeter. Then here length is equal to 3 square, breadth is equal to 2 and height is equal to 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So multiply by length, breadth and height. So total how many cubic square centimeter here? 24 cubic centimeter. And this block here length equal to how many square given? 1 2 3 4, breadth 1 2 3 and height is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. So length, breadth and height. Length 4 3s are 12 and 12 5s are 60 cubic centimeter. So this way you can find out the all the objects volume. Now here second question. Find the volume of the blocks of cubes given below. So this measurement also 1 cubic millimeter. क्या है इस बॉक्स का 1 cubic millimeter. So here volume here how many cubes? Here 1. Here different length. Length given different, breadth given different and height also given here different cubes. So it means we will count the square. So how many square given here? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So 6 cubic centimeter this volume. And here this picture also given in different blocks. So different rows. Here one row is given here 3 and second row is given here 6 and third row is given here 9. So we will count the here cubes. So how many cubes given here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 and 3 double कितना हो गया 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 17 and here 3 units 1 2 and 3. It means 3 3s are 9 square. Here 1 2 and 1 square in one row 3. So 3 2s are 6. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15 and 15 and 3 is equal to 18. So 18 square cubic millimeter. This is the volume of this picture. So this way you can find out all the pictures volume. Now here about net. So net, a 2D shape that can be folded to form a 3D shape. You know 2D shapes, square, rectangle, 2D shape, and these 2D shapes fold into 3D shapes to form a net. So here look at this straight box. आपको ये दिख रहा है straight box दिख रहा है. So do you know how to this box is made? How to this box is made? They looking like a here 2D shapes, but when we open it box, so showing here 3D shapes. So these cut out of the folded and held together by intersecting the tabs. आपने देखा इसको बॉक्स को, ये आप इसका ऊपर वाला पोर्शन है और ये नीचे वाला. जब आप इसका आपका ढक्कन खोलते हैं तो आप इसको ऊपर वाला दिखेगा एंड दिस इज डाउन साइड पोर्शन. सो हाउ कैन फोल्ड इट? सो लिसन हियर, दिस इज नेट. जब आप इसको ओपन करोगे तो ये दिस पिक्चर शोइंग हियर net. And how to make this box? First when we fold here, then after this these two little square rectangle fold one, and this after that this picture fold, and then after a total this way you can make this box. Now nets of shape. So here you are showing here different solid shapes. Here this is square and this is cuboid and this is cylinder and this is cone. And here cube, which type of shape showing in cube? Cube in square shape. Okay, and this is cuboid. So when we open this square shape cube, जब आप इसको क्यूब को ओपन करोगे, so how many part आप उसको कैंची से कट करेंगे तो how many part here showing here, how many square in here showing 6 square. जब आप इसको किसी आपने स्क्वायर शेप का आप ओपन करोगे तो उसकी नेट कितने स्क्वायर बताएगी आपको 6 स्क्वायर. एंड दिस क्यूबाइड हियर 4 रेक्टेंगल 1 2 3 and 4 rectangle and 2 rectangle of another size. 4 rectangle are equal size but you fold that. ये आपने देखा इसको, ये रेक्टेंगल को जब आपने दिखा ये बड़े रेक्टेंगल, when we fold other 2 rectangle then here different size. So different size rectangle but both have rectangle. Okay, so here in cuboid 4 rectangle of one size and 2 rectangle of another size. Now cylinder, ये देखा आपने सिलेंडर, जब आपने कोई भी राउंडेड चीज राउंडेड पिक्चर आप जब इसको ओपन करेंगे, सो हियर इट हैज 1 रेक्टेंगल, एक ऊपर का भाग और एक नीचे का भाग, और जब आप इसको फोल्ड करेंगे तो वो फोल्ड वाला कौन सा आएगा, रेक्टेंगल. These are showing rectangle and upside and downside showing here 2 circles. Okay, so when you open this cylinder shapes object, so one part showing rectangle and other 2 parts showing here 2 circle. Okay, now here cone, जब आप देखें बर्थडे के आपने जब केप पहनते हो, ठीक है, so when we open this cone, so it has 1 complete circle. एक तो आपको क्या मिलेगा, 1 complete circle and another and 1 section of another circle. One has a complete circle and 1 section of another circle. एक तो पूरा सर्कल, one part of the circle, जो एक पोर्शन मिलेगा पूरा फुल सर्कल, एंड अदर पार्ट ऑफ जो डाउन साइड का दिख रहा है आपको, दिस इज शोइंग हियर फुल सर्कल एंड डिफरेंट पार्ट शोइंग हियर पार्ट ऑफ अ सर्कल. So this way you can find out the net of any solid objects. Now exercise 6.2, identify the correct net. So you have to need to find out correct net when you open these 2D shapes. So here of the given 3D shapes. Okay, so identify the correct net for each of the given 3D shapes. Okay, so here cube. So which is correct net given here in 4 options? So 1 options, 2 option, 3 and 4. When you open this type of cubic shape of object, cube shape of box, so which is correct net? This type, this is correct net. And how many square? 6 square. So 1 square here right side and 1 square left side and 1 square here right side. Now second, when you this is correct cuboid shape, which is correct net given here? So this is correct net. Here आपने देखा here both here all here given here 6 rectangle, but here all the rectangle size equal. So this is not correct. This is here given here 5 rectangle, no, but in the cuboid shape 4 rectangle and other 2 different side rectangle. So this way this is not correct. Here 4 rectangle but 2 square, so this is wrong. And here all the rectangle size same, so this way this one also wrong, and this one only 1 square given. So in this picture 4 rectangle and 2 other size of rectangle, so this way this is the correct picture of given cuboid net. Now here cylinder. So which is correct here, cylinder net? So this is correct, 1 rectangle and 2 circle upside and downside. So this is correct net. Now here cone. So which is correct cone here? This is 1 circle and other part of the circle. So this is correct net. Now match the shapes to their nets by drawing lines. अब आपको जो भी ये लाइंस दिया है यहाँ पे आपको here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 pictures showing here. Now we can match correct net, which is correct net. So here cuboid. So number 1, this cuboid box match to this picture, and here B part, when you open, so this type of net you are showing. So here these are correct net. And now here third one, C. C is, this picture is net of this picture. Now D, so D picture, this type cylinder net, this type of, and now this cone, so cone picture here, here triangle. So this is when you open this type of object, so this type of net you will found. Now here next F. So F, here one part, one circle, one full circle, and other is part of the circle. So this way you can find out the nets and volume of any object. So let's do practice again and again. Thank you for watching this video.